This is a Peruvian rain stick that I made. They actually make them out of hollow cactus, and they take the spikes from the cactus and they pound them into the sides of these and then fill it with pebbles. This one is made out of wood. I made a cylinder out of wood, and then I shot nails in all up and down. I don't know, about 500 nails in here. And then I filled it with rice and split peas and black-eyed peas, all dried. And it makes a nice sound. Added a little bit of copper and leather and feathers for a little look. Then I put some leather on the other end so when I set it down, the wood doesn't get damaged. Pretty cool. And if you like a storm rain, just go faster. And if you like a gentle rain, just turn it slowly and listen to the raindrops. Just click on an awning or very relaxing, and it's actually used in different kinds of therapy. Enjoy.